Okay, let's talk about the various formulas used for pyramids. First off, the lateral surface area. You can see we're going to be describing this with the capital L. The lateral surface area is the surface area of the lateral sides. It's the total. It's the lateral surface area. It's if you take all the lateral faces and add up all their areas, that gives us the lateral surface area. An interesting thing about this formula, this is very reminiscent of the area of a triangle. If I was to take and lay all these lateral faces together, in this example I get something that looks like this. And in general, each of these is the, whatever these distances are times their height. And it turns out the heights of each of these, if this is a right pyramid, which just like we're going to be dealing with right prisms only in this class, we're also only going to be dealing with right pyramids. Right pyramid means the apex of the pyramid is directly over the center of the base. It's kind of balanced that way. So in any case, as long as it's a right pyramid, then that means all of these individual triangles have the same height. And when we're talking about the area of a triangle, it turns out we don't care about where this point is. If it was over here, let's say instead of this one right here, if I was to scoot it over here and put it there, it would still have the same height. So this triangle would still have the same area as that triangle. And what I can end up doing is kind of moving all of these over together like this, getting rid of that, and this, I kind of create one big triangle. And this distance right here is my perimeter, the perimeter of my base, and I have 1/2 perimeter of the base times the height, and that's exactly where this formula comes from. So I think that's kind of interesting. But yeah, so the lateral surface area is 1/2 times the perimeter of the base times the slant height. Oh yeah, I guess each of these should have been slant height also. So those should have each been S's, not H, but whatever. Alright, the total surface area is what we get when we take the lateral surface area and add on the surface area of the base. Now there's only one base to work with here, so you can see it's just going to be A. I'm not sure why in this example they go with 1/2 PS instead of calling it L like we did on the prisms. You could do it either way, it doesn't really matter. We're calling it L right there, so why not stick with that? And the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height.